The sun is for everyone and solar should be too. Here at Solar Wholesale, we believe in making solar energy accessible to all with our easy install DIY solar panel kits. When it comes to maintaining your solar system, the key is monitoring. Take a few moments bi-weekly to once a month to ensure your panels and inverters are operating efficiently. Mother Nature does a good job of keeping your panels clean, but an occasional wash with some Dawn dish soap and water can help maintain peak performance. Simply use a car brush or a squeegee to rinse them off. The best part, there's very little to no maintenance required on your solar system. However, if you have trees nearby, remember to trim them each spring. Shade can be the enemy of solar panels.
You are the enemy to my solar.
At Solar Wholesale, we're committed to empowering homeowners like you to harness the power of the sun. With our DIY solar panels, you can save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Now remember, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for maintaining your solar system. Visit Solar Wholesale today and start your journey to energy independence. Because when it comes to solar, the future is bright. Thanks for watching.